when I moved to the Philippines when I was 13. Although hindi ko pa masyadong na-confirm nun, naririnig ko lang from people because I used to play basketball in my province. And I remember during the games, yung commentator, whenever I would shoot the ball, Dennis Roldan for 3. And I was like, Dennis Roldan? Sino yun? Naisip ko baka may kamukha lang ako na artista or may kamukha lang ako na PBA player. Kaya yun yung sinasabi nila sa akin. Pero the first time na may narinig ako about it is through my ex-girlfriend. Sabi niya, kilala mo ba si Dennis Roldan? Sabi ko, hindi. Gusto mo search natin. Noong time na yun, wala pa akong smartphone, Tito Boy. Hindi pa masyadong uso yung smartphones eh. So it's not that accessible sa cellphone. So we had to go to this computer shop. And then we Googled Dennis Roldan. And that was the first time I saw his picture. And that was the first time I saw his face. And nung tinignan ko yung picture na mabuti,